cake tasting, first cake tasting at Ellie's Bakery. And we got the vanilla cake on one side and almond cake on the other. We have 4 different flavors: dulce de leche, salted caramel, apple cider caramel, and the chocolate, the Mexican chocolate. She gave us a little book to look at, like inspirational to any cakes that we want to try.
What the
almond taste. And then the Mexican chocolate tastes too bitter. Like it tastes like dark chocolate to me. So
I like the vanilla with the dulce de leche.
Way to go there, baby. I'm excited just because we're gonna go to eat. So I get like excited when we eat. Hey, Ovies! Damn, there's mad people. It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. There's not a single cloud. Not one cloud in the sky. That means it's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be a good day. It's not a Lil Wayne song. Damn, he took your spot. Where are you gonna park there? Oh, we acting. Ay, ay, ay. This is a local breakfast brunch spot. And it's the weekend, so there's mad cars. Hopefully there's seats. Never ending. No more purses on the float. Good. So we just finished meeting with a florist. They gave us a reasonably good price just for the bridal party. They won't be able to decorate like this, make centerpieces, because they have another wedding that day. I really like their style of florals, so we're keeping them in mind. And we also went, what did we do today? So met with the caterer too. He came to our house, my house. We were just brainstorming ideas for food. He's gonna send us a proposal through email to see how much it would be, but fingers crossed it's good. So we're trying to decide which one looks better. If a 4-tier cake looks better, or like a 3-tier one, or one that's like that. The 4 tiers obviously like that. It's so cute. I like this cake stand.
¿Cuál es la diferencia de eso?
What? Square shape probably has more cake. I like the circle though.
You know, circle and square.
Do you want to do circle and square?
No, I like the 4 one.
Se va a costar más.
Like más, like a lot.
I don't know. Depende de cuánto cobran.
Yo no sabía que los bizcochos eran tan fucking caros.
Bear, it's a wedding cake. What you thought it was gonna be like $100? Nope, a birthday cake is not the same as a wedding cake.
Right.
When you're trying to be cheap for everything.
Yeah. Have a Dominican baker.
No.
You really asked for coffee with this tasting. Mad bougie. I just got water.
Have some lunch for you. I'm just gonna slide this over a little bit. I know you. And the cake doesn't have to all be the same flavor.
Okay.
So just keep in mind, if you do the naked cake, you'll be able to see you'll be able to see that the tiers look different if you do different flavors. But that's up to you. So I'm gonna go through all the flavors with you, but I do have a cheat sheet. So if you forget anything,
okay,
it's okay. I gotta go on a cheat sheet. So for cake flavors, we have almond, chocolate, hazelnut, lemon, red velvet. The red velvet has a cream cheese buttercream filling with a vanilla buttercream frosting. Champagne cake. It's vanilla cake with fresh strawberries and champagne mousse filling. Spice cake, vanilla cake, and a white cake. White cake is more like a pound cake, so it's a little different texture. Yep. For the frosting, there's 2 different buttercream options. One is a vanilla buttercream. We also have a Swiss buttercream. The rest of these are different filling options. Each tier of cake is made up of 4 layers of cake with 3 layers of filling. slice the cake, this is what it will look like inside with the fillings.
Okay, yeah. Okay.
So filling options, you could do either of these buttercreams. You could also do a chocolate buttercream, a mocha buttercream. You could definitely do the seedless raspberry where there is some frosting on it. We also have a lemon German chocolate, which is caramel, coconut, and pecan. So we have a dark chocolate ganache, hazelnut ganache. Have white chocolate mousse, Oreo mousse, chocolate peanut butter, and then over here we have a chocolate mousse. Frosting start with the vanilla buttercream and kind of work its way somewhat in order.
All right.
But I'll leave that there for you. There's a pen. You get forks, plates, and dessert. So you're good to go.
All right.
Enjoy. Holler if you have any questions. I'll come back and check on you.
Okay. Thank you.
I won't sit and watch you eat. Right there.
Oh my god. Oh my god, it's so soft.
I taste the almond.
Okay, Tiny. That's good. Alright, so. So we out here going for another cake tasting. This is the third cake tasting last week or so. And this should be second cake tasting with me. These cake tastings be charging like $25.
In 700 feet, turn right onto Thurber's Avenue.
I hope this ain't recording like while I'm talking. But they be charging $25 for you to pick certain flavors to taste, not even like a whole palette, you know? So like the first tasting, it was complimentary and we got to pick flavors. The second tasting I went to was $25. We got a whole plate, you know. But this third tasting, I had to pick certain flavors, and I still got to pay $25. So I don't understand the logic. So far, even though I've only been to 2 tastings so far, I'm leaning towards the first tasting because 1, they're charging less, and 2, is good. It's good. And I gave Rainier a little bit of the cake, but he said that he was like, that it wasn't all that. I'm like, tasted the best. I think the strawberry shortcake will be good. What the? Oh my god! What if I wasn't recording this whole time? So she gave us a box with all 3 cakes to take home. Jibby said that they weren't even all that. Like,
right, they were good, I think, but she has a wide selection of cakes that you can choose from. I feel like I don't think you did the best selection. I'm just saying, like, we need to stay there and try all the cakes.
For real. She would have charged, to try that whole
like
list.
$100.
Yeah, not even.
But, like, she does a good job. I mean, she's a girl boss. She does it on her own. She got no workers with her.
For real. That means all that profit's hers.
Yeah, so that's good. That's why I didn't give her a tip, because I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. But that was the fastest cake tasting I've ever been to.
Anybody want to?
We have a Wright's Dairy Farm appointment in 2 weeks.
So if you like very, very sugary cakes.
Unless it's because we haven't had sugar, because I don't be eating sugar like that.
Not cleansed, but we're eating healthier, so we haven't had sugar in a while.
Like the first bakery, like, it was sweet, but not like this.
Yeah.
Like it's a creamier.
Yeah, I like that cake.
For real.
That vanilla one.
Yeah.
Like, I'm dreaming about it.
Yeah. If Wright's, like, who else do I have to hit up? Oh, I'm gonna meet with CARINA DOLCE. I have to make an appointment.
We might as well just go to the nail salon right here. I'm just kidding.
When you got tax money and you feel like
I was gonna know.
No, suck. So we are loving this cake place so far. Like the girls like literally reading my mind. Like we're feeding off of our energies. I don't know what's going on, but I love it.
This is it.
So we're just waiting for her to bring out the cakes so we can try it. But we got a really good price. I'm happy and I'm excited, and yeah.
Red velvet with cream cheese frosting. That one is a strawberry banana. This one is dark chocolate. That one is Tahitian vanilla. This one is a pina colada, and that one's a lemon lavender.
Oh my god.
Nice. I'm gonna grab some forks and some napkins.
Okay.
And don't force yourselves to, stuff it in. I'll give you boxes.
Okay.
I didn't know what to pick, so I picked them all. You also do other flavors besides.
Nice. So we're gonna try cupcakes.
Hey, this one looks nice.
Tahitian vanilla.
This is Cecilia.
Okay.
You can go on her, are you on Instagram?
Yeah.
Go on her Insta, you can see all her stuff. She does styling for events too. So if you need someone for the shower, or if you want some help with the wedding.
Yeah.
Tell her you're working with me and she can drop it off here.
Okay.
This is Susan from Cherry Hill.
Okay.
And then this is my info.
Yay.
And same thing when you call Susan too. Just say you want to set up a consultation, you book your cake with me, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
And she's super easy, super nice, and she's not the most expensive out there.
Okay.
Because some people are like
I know.
crazy. I'm going to give you a copy of this.
Okay.
We both have the same picture, ironically, so we know what we're doing. And then I'll see you guys again in August.
Yay. I'm so excited. We booked our cake baker. It was like a unanimous decision because, I don't know, like she just, like right off the bat, she's just like amazing. The flavors that she offers, and the cakes were really good too. The only thing that the frosting was a little hard just because she had them in the fridge, but she says that once they're at room temperature, it's like really soft. So that's one vendor off the list.
You still got some flavors to taste too.
Still have flavors to taste. She's gonna she booked us again for another appointment. Once I told her a naked cake, she pulled up a picture that I've been eyeing on Pinterest, and she said she's not gonna charge for the cake stand and she's gonna charge us less just because it's a naked cake. And I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Like, I can't wait for the second tasting. We have a second tasting in August. She gave us a receipt. She gave us a sketch of what it's gonna be. It's gonna be a little textured frosting at the top layer. There's 4 layers in total. This is gonna be naked. This is gonna be a smooth layer, and I think this one's gonna be a smooth layer too. Have like 2 like floral installments on it and a cake topper, so it's gonna look really nice. These are the fillings that we're gonna try. She has dulce de leche. She has guava. She has apple spice caramel. And so yeah, this is what it's gonna look like, and I'm so excited. We have a floral consultation at 2, so we might get something to eat because I'm kind of hungry. I kind of filled myself up with that cake.
California tacos?
No, I haven't even ate breakfast. Like this cake tasting was forcing it.
Breakfast at 1 o'clock?
Brunch.
Where?
I don't know, Teddy. Rainier's mad because we just paid $30 for Panera. For the you pick 2. Yo, this green tea smacking when you're not used to bougie lifestyle. I got the steak and white cheddar panini with the mac and cheese. The mac and cheese is smacking. So you're gonna eat that mac and cheese, you're gonna love it. We'll do that. It's smacking. Killing time and getting a quick bite before our next appointment. We have a floral consultation. We have a floral consultation at 2. So after we eat this, we got a jet.